If you're a Galaxy S24 Ultra user, today's video is definitely for you. We got some important updates regarding the much anticipated One UI 6.11 update that was supposed to bring significant camera improvements. But here's the twist. There's some confusion in the air about whether this update has been delayed or not. So let's dive in and clear things up. To start, let's rewind a bit. Earlier this year, back in April, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra users received a camera-focused update that brought some impressive enhancements to the already top-tier camera system. Samsung, however, didn't stop there. They promised another camera update, which was expected to be bundled with the One UI 6.11 update, originally scheduled for the first week of August. Fast forward to now, and Galaxy S24 Ultra users have indeed started receiving an update this week. But here's the catch. It's not the One UI 6.11 update you've all been waiting for. Instead, it's the August security update, which has left some users disappointed. So far, only AT and T users on Reddit have confirmed receiving this update, but it's likely that more S24 Ultra units across the US will get it soon. Now, while security updates might not seem as exciting as camera enhancements, this one is crucial. The August security patch not only fixes bugs and improves the phone's performance, but also addresses 14 software vulnerabilities found on Samsung devices. 3 of these vulnerabilities are graded as high severity, meaning they could potentially allow attackers to take control of your phone. So while it's not the camera update you were hoping for, this security patch is definitely something you shouldn't overlook. Now let's get into the juicy part. What happened to the One UI 6.11 update? According to well-known leaker Ice Universe, the update has been delayed. This is surprising, especially since the update has reportedly been in testing for quite some time. What's even more intriguing is that this update is supposed to include all the new camera features found in the Galaxy Fold 6, which only adds to the anticipation. But here's where things get interesting. Ice Universe also raised the possibility that this delay could affect the release of One UI 7.0, which is rumored to bring an even bigger camera update than the one initially expected this month. Just when we thought we had a clear answer, Sammobile, another reliable source, posted a tweet that contradicted Ice Universe's claim. According to Sammobile, the One UI 6.11 update hasn't been delayed, it's simply still in the testing stage. The testing, as they mention, appears to be related to the performance of Galaxy AI on mid-range Galaxy devices. Now, this is an interesting point because just a few days ago, there were reports that Samsung is planning to add some Galaxy AI features to the mid-range Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A55 models. Could this be the reason for the delay in releasing One UI 6.11 for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? It's certainly a possibility. So what does all this mean for you as a Galaxy S24 Ultra user? Well, first and foremost, it means that the camera update you've been eagerly waiting for is still on the way. It just might take a little longer than expected. In the meantime, the August security update is essential for keeping your device secure, so make sure to install it as soon as it's available. As for the One UI 6.11 update, whether it's delayed or still in testing, it's clear that Samsung is working on making sure everything is perfect before rolling it out. This might be frustrating, but it's always better to have a well-polished update than one that's rushed and full of bugs. And if you're concerned about the potential delay of One UI 7.0, it's important to keep in mind that these are just rumors at this point. Samsung hasn't made any official announcements, so we'll just have to wait and see how things unfold. Looking at the bigger picture, it's clear that Samsung is committed to continuously improving the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera capabilities. With each update, they're pushing the boundaries of what smartphone cameras can do. The initial camera update in April was a testament to that, and the upcoming One UI 6.1 and One UI 7.0 updates are expected to take things even further. But it's not just about the camera. Samsung's update strategy also includes crucial security patches, performance improvements, and new features that enhance the overall user experience. That's it for today's video. If you found this update helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Galaxy S24 Ultra users. In the meantime, let us know in the comments, are you disappointed by the delay or do you think it's worth the wait? And what camera features are you most excited about in the upcoming updates? As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.